Hi everyone, my name is Sebastian Kassab. I'm the project manager on the site at Seymours in Roseville. This development is for our client Kiko, and we'll be happy to show you around what's been happening for the last couple of months in October. We've started stripping scaffold around the area. Basically all of it is gone. We're revealing the facade, including the brickwork and the metalwork. Internally, we've been progressing, starting to hand over units in preparation for client inspections and valuations. We've also been working on the podium level, including building the planter boxes and waterproofing and rendering. And internally, we've started defects, final touch-ups, lobby works, and all other items. Next up, we're coming to the exciting part of the project, getting ready for handover to the new owners. So that'll involve doing testing and commissioning on the services to make sure everything's running properly, getting all the paperwork in line for our OC and PC, finish off the inspections and get everyone into the building. Thank you for watching our construction update for the month of October, and we look forward to bringing you more updates as we get closer to the completion.